some food I never tried before, like some rice candy, this drink, a cookie with some chocolate inside, and Pockies. Before I try these candies, make sure to like, subscribe, and give me a huge thumbs up. First, you gotta push the marble down. My mom's gonna do it for me because it's kind of hard to do. So, we have to push the marble down. My mom's gonna do it because it's kind of hard to do. So, let's try it. Fizzy and good. Strawberry flavored is pretty fizzy, and I'll just give it a 10 out of 10. I love it. We're gonna try the rice candy next. So it comes with a cool sticker. So you gotta take off the first wrapper, but this wrapper you can eat. That other wrapper is a red wrapper, and it melts in your mouth. First, it tastes good. At the end, there's kind of like a bad taste. So I'll give it a 8 out of 10. So we're trying Pockies. So this is what they look like. Let's do what it tastes like. That's good. So the chocolate covered stuff, really chocolatey, and this bottom one is pretty good too. 10 out of 10, definitely recommends. So next, we're trying the chocolate filled cookie. Let's try it. There's chocolate inside. It's really yummy. They have a little cartoon picture. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I really like the challenge. Out of my favorites, I like these. And maybe this one too. I like all. So, love you guys, and make sure to like and subscribe.